Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to guide you through the basics of using Apollo.io. Now, Apollo.io is quite a useful app for reaching buyers and in general finding work. So to begin, we want to go to www.apollo.io, and from here we got to sign up for free. Now, keep in mind that Apollo.io is a 14-day free trial. If you do want to use it for longer, you will need to use a subscription plan. For us, we're going to be using the 14-day trial just to give you the basics. So, from here, we have to give our work email. I'm going to use my Google account because I'm not going to be really using this app. I'm just going to teach you guys how it works. So once I'm signed up using my Google account, if you give it a moment, then I will show you guys exactly how to navigate through the application. I promise you, as scary and hard it may look, I will make it as easy as possible for you guys to understand what you're doing and how to maximize success. So as you can see, Apollo wants access to my Google account. This is because Apollo is going to use your email, your calendar, and your calls in general. Basically the Google suite. So just make sure you allow it to that. Don't worry, you're not going to get hacked or anything. It's a trusted and certified source. So once we allow that, it should tell us welcome to Apollo. We are going to simply have to wait until we get redirected to the app. And any moment now, I will be completely into the app, ready to work. So as you can see, it's redirected me here. It's going to see what you can do with Apollo. But instead of watching this video, you're going to be watching my video, and I'm going to show you what you can do with Apollo. So we're going to press on I will do it later. And it's going to load you up. Okay, as you can see, we're on the main page. Now this is exactly where we're going to show you everything. Now don't worry, this was quite confusing. I'll show you guys everything you need to know. So first we're going to go on to home. And it's going to tell you all this stuff. We're going to go to the cockpit. And this is where it will show you contacts that opened your email in the last hour and your daily tasks. The last and general statistics. So last week's email stats, last week's call stats, your scheduled emails, etc. So you can start prospecting on LinkedIn by adding to Chrome, but we won't be doing that for now. For now, what we are going to be doing is going to engage, and here we're going to press on sequences. So as you can see, what sequences are is you can basically build custom campaigns to automate emails, meaning that it's automatically going to send emails and etc. So it's going to show you how to create a new sequence, but I'm not going to be showing you that because this is just a navigation guide. Then from here, we have all the tools we need. We have our emails, we have our calls, we have our tasks, our templates, our snippets, our meetings, which are going to be quite a useful tool for you, and your analytics, which is probably the number one thing you want to keep looking at, because through the analytics, you can understand how you are doing, what you need to improve on, and what is failing. Alongside that, this is basically your main place you want to be working. From here, we're going to press on Enrich, and as you can see, there are multiple things like Overview, get complete up-to-date data for all records, enrich and update records from your CRM, CSV, API, and check which contacts have changed jobs. So we won't be needing that all right now. What I'm going to show you is the main thing we need to learn, which is within search. So we're going to open up search, and here we can search for stuff. So let's do probably, we can do, so this is on people right now. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go company, and this is where you can search for companies. So right now I'm gonna write real estate, and as you can see, it's gonna bring me all the stuff related to real estate. Let me close out of this. and it's congratulating me, but don't worry. Okay, it's become quite laggy. Give it a second to load. Alright, there we have it. So it's loaded up. We have real estate, real estate, real estate by Dilbeck, real, etc. So here is the LinkedIn link you can use to access these people. Tamdeen BC, John Hickey, David McConney, and Rajiv Goel, etc. So here it will show you the contact location, as you can see, the employees that this company has, and the email, of course, which you can use to see if they're verified or not. If they're verified, that means it's a much more legit and more professional company. Basically, you are certified to have guaranteed professionalism from them. And the industry right here, alongside that, you can check for keywords. So if there are certain keywords you're looking for, you can find those there. Now, this is for jobs. Here are the filters. So we can do personas. We can do names, job titles, company, location. So let's say I want to work in a certain location. Let's do I want to work in Vancouver. Vancouver, Canada. Then it's only going to show me the ones from Vancouver, Canada. And there we go. As it reloads, it will show me the ones related to real estate that are located and centered in Vancouver, Canada. There we have it. So Royal Center, SUNY Reki, Gia Bradford, so Royal LePage, Remax, Chipotle, etc. Now, another thing we can do is go to employees. Employees is probably one of your best tools because here you can choose a certain amount of employees there are. That way you can be suited into a more specific workplace. Let's do, we want around 1,000 to 2,000. And alongside that, we are gonna make the email status verified. And it's gonna take quite a while to load. So as you can see, there are no results found, meaning I've gone too deep into the rabbit hole. But there it is. That is generally how you can use Apollo.io. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell button so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech's tech tutorials. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.